First, visit www.coolmuster.com and head to the Data Recovery page. You can scroll down to check its features in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Free for Try option to download the software on your computer. Click the Open File option to install Coolmuster Data Recovery on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Then click Finish to close setup. Launch the software to access the interface, which presents 4 recovery options: Deleted Recovery, Format Recovery, Raw Recovery, and Partition Recovery. Deleted Recovery: recover all deleted files from disks or removable devices, including videos, images, music, etc. Formatted Recovery: retrieve lost files from formatted partitions, hard drives, USB drives, and camera memory cards. Raw Recovery: perform a deep scan to recover data that cannot be found by deleted recovery and formatted recovery, even when the file system is corrupted. Partition Recovery: locate lost, deleted, resized, or damaged partitions and recover files and folders. Select the appropriate mode based on your needs to proceed. Here we will select the Deleted Recovery mode as an example. The software will detect and display all partitions and drive letters on your computer. Choose the drive where your data was lost and click the Start Scan button to initiate the scan for lost files. After scanning, all files, including lost ones, will be categorized and displayed in a tree structure according to their original file type and file location. You can preview and select the files you want to recover. After that, click the Recover to Computer button to start recovering your lost data. Select a folder and click OK to save these recovered data. Click OK when it shows finished.